Hongkaham, I speak in yes. Hongkaham jotono no. Tini hene hai lai bumani kaisa kotor goselaimo. Sini bubagrani na halmung tongmani. Already Bengaluru sini Maharaja bo press meet khaye norok samani khana. Sini ti prasa skill gana. Nurses, GNM, NM rogno Japan nik mani kok prangai kok Japanese language prangai Japano samung tangrani bagi rohornani kaham manmarini bagi kaham ajimuni bagi rohornani kok samani tini chung supunglenin phaching senior tongo Mr. Ajay Kumar Sahani managing manager sourcing and administration Navy Human Resource and Private Limited borobini sini MOU ongo sini yang deputy CEO tongo sini PU principal official health ni tai sini tai khoroksa PU tabo deputy PU health tai sini oro social activist takuk James tai takuk John Marok khanainin tongo borok chana belai chubakha samuni bagai tai Bangalore tongai chini takuk Dinesh bogo chana belai chubakha borok no hambai eke chini o nahar mungkin orang itu tuh saya no jeng Japano hospitality ni bagai chini orang zara GNM NM pass out enggak no BSc nursing orang no sengkalo ringai through Navy's ni passing te chini orang pan apply kai mano borok Navy so pan apply kai mano jeng BCO maximum hospitality wo 3 jona chini chere rogno chung Japan ro hanani target la borogno chung ADC hapang ni phasingti kheye khoroksa ni chung ADC 50,000 chung sponsor khaine borogno jara registration na musnai jara serna musnai Japanese language te bairo Japan Germany Korea ro thangai service ini musunai rokno borok candidate ram 10,000 kai baro registration ma khaine they kaise additional 50,000 borok puila samani jono 1,40,000 candidate dina nangnai hai ni chunga bono tini kok salai abone kisarika tabo candidate rok 60,000 rinai chunga ADC 50,000 rinai. Okay, total borok ni 3.5 mane sara 3 lakh taka total boni course everything registration course fees rati sara 3 lakh taka nangnai sara 3 lakh taka nangta ba rina nangya candidate simino 60 lakh ma rinai ADC 60,000 ADC 50,000 total बाद बाकी बोनी जे रांगर थाई तोंगमानी जे नेविस न जे रांगर थाई तोंगमानी 2,40,000 borok saka nono chung Japan Germany Korea o sakri rimani pore teruk nini beton ini nangtanai riman nai ake obo nongkha sini tini ni o agreement do jara thangna muchonai kabangman chinoro nurse ni sakri sani phainai tongbayo GNM NM tai ni o BSc nursing rok jara khaijak rok kabang opportunity tabo Patara hasteo tangi at least testing chini ta khuk saka 1.8 lakh 40,000 ni beton ni chimi 3.5 lakh beton nong ni kharsa ni per month aba hai abon bagai ke borok already o target now ni o borok ni naro jara registration khane borok ni nang je ban pa ke outstanding payment tongmani abo remaining borok arke khairi Gechini nahar mung kata kute buku chung nadi government job to limited. Kabang macini tipra shalok tabu kabang zagon Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai abherogo nursing complete kai nogo kabang asok jak butongo. Serengi tongmai butongo, patara samutang tongmai ro butongo. Kenor mebagi chung ane bubagra katal kaisa nangmani history kaisa opportunity normal rika jara muchuknai daki dakin phai chungbai karangdi borok daki dakin interview nanai best jara muchuknai best karangku borokno jeng phatar ro hornani bagai chatioknai abani loge loge jeng phainai salo care worker bonanai driver tai hinge construction worker o building namnani amai samung obahirono bochung samung skill khai phataro samung tangnani bagai ro hornani bochung chatioknai obong khachini naharmung sini ADC hafang sini Tripura sarokno rang ri tongmung chamung borokni manthai khati thaina khobui samung tanglai tongmani chung choya hamkari samung tang tongmani chung choya bobagrani naikol mungbai chung hor sal thuya ke no solai samung tanglai tong takute bukuk chong obonong khachini thansani mari chini bobagrani naikol mungbai chini ADC hafang chung tabuk ratei lama kahamte himai beti prasa rokno bahike sang biang phasing thangke boro thangke chung rang kaham khaimano kaham tongmong tuimano lokorok ajimano abo naharmungbai chung samung tanglai tong ketabok norok sungi mane chini Ajay Kumar Sahani ji bo angka Navy's ani manager sursinte administration of bani thani Navy's ni naharmung tabung khaitong besuk bisiromi khaitong bopron timit langjak nai omutiro bon thani norok sungi man hambai.
Thank you, respective dignitaries of TTADC. And my name is Ajay, and I'm General Manager for Northeastern Region. And today it's a privilege for Navy's HR, because on behalf of Navy HR, I'm representative entire Northeastern Region. And today we have signed an agreement, an MOU with TTADC regarding the student opportunity going abroad in Japan, Germany, as well as Korea. The respective job description and the job profile is already mentioned and mentioned by our sir. So we will be highly pleased to have a student from Agartala and Tripura as well. We have sent many candidates from Northeastern region, all states. Barring Tripura was left out, but it's really humble, thankful and hearty congratulations to respective Maharaja as well. Because of him, because I met him during the airport also, he said that everything is done. You just have to go there and then the formalities will be done. Thank you for the kind and generous arrangement. And we are really dealing great opportunity for the career of student, for the student of TTADC areas. And we look forward for a mutual consent and mutual agreement between all of us. And this opportunity will provide our student, those who want to dream and aspiration going abroad. And this is a platform where we can send students to different countries, from where we will definitely have a collaboration between more, and we are going to send more and more number of students henceforth. So it's a great achievement for Navy's HR, because having a tied up with TTADC is really an opportunity for us and privilege to us, and we make sure and ensure that whatever number of students respectively will be selected, we have a selection process. So nearly about, we are going to, as many as we can, we are targeting 100,000 number of students to be screened, and then we will be selecting out of which the best 30 number of students, and based on that they are going to be privileged and taking the training there in Bangalore, and then henceforth they are going abroad in Japan and respective countries altogether. As the job profile is already mentioned, so we will be placing them as and when a requirement is there. So it's a initial start, and definitely there are milestones to go ahead, but definitely thanks to Maharaja and the government of TTADC. So thank you so much once again, and I really would like to thank you, the press representative as well. Thank you so much once again for covering this press meet, and hopefully the collaboration and MUA will beneficially benefits both of us, and then we take it ahead. And definitely we are really humble and thankful to TTA DEC. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much. Because we have as mentioned, there are a screening process. So first they will have to go through an aptitude test. All the students has to appear for the aptitude test. Once they clear the aptitude test, they have to go to for a process called demo process. The native Japanese will be having an conversation with the students. They will show a demo. The student has to understand. They have to understand about the script. They have to understand the demo. That's a demo. So once they can able to cop up and can able to respond to the demo, we will select for the third round, which is very crucial, based on the consent of the parents. Once the parents agrees that yes, I am ready to send them to Japan, so we will select those candidates, and based on that, this the timing and everything will be mentioned there and thereafter. So we have such process, and we will start as soon as possible. We are going to now. We already have done all the formalities, so we are going to mobilize as soon as possible.
Jara Tangnama Chonai, Japano, through Nevis Bisinti interview Rui, test Rui, Borok Tangnama Chonai, Boroni Bagation, Dakinos, Potlika, Bisinti, Chini website in Bisinti, advertisement in a Kiborona about Ashini, all the Shakatasingo. Actually, Japan Nikishul culture Borni Onkotongo, Bosket, Borni Bebohar, Boroni Tong, Sam Tongo. Actually, Azagaro Boro, Bokrok Tolakai Kulumung, Bukok Samung, Nomro Bodro, Omahiro Kabang, Metatum, Japanese Hamutangani, Kok Sanke Sana, never Chiriglay Kokshire. Anti Herozoton Panutang, Aran Borno Pipe and Penny Japan, the Borokno. So, Abahikis, there are Saniman Night, Borokno, Borok Silekana. Even Tlangan is Shagang, the Tlangan Fruman, Bumopa, Shoikan Gake. Buma in Dublin in Zeratan and Pit in Buma Garden Buma Pashu Soy Soka, a Afrosi Borok Langley. The Pulan Chimney Jaratana, the Patara, Japan, Germany, Anton, in Korea, Anton, but Iron language to Japan, Iron language of Prunen Borok Tangai. Eke Pulan Chimney prepare only penny buffet. I didn't start Kajan advertisement Kakakan, two interview of screening process Kaye. Dr. Rohan Bagi Satyapnai.